music icon, Diana Ross.
I would have recorded as soon as I got here, but when I got here, he was sitting over there waving at me. Okay. So with that being said, I had to go ahead and get out and get her done. But I'm about to turn around and get out of here. And I may be able to show you guys what it looks like. Okay. The first one is an apartment building, and it is a set of bungalows too. So let me see, can I show you? Okay. So anyway, it's the apartment back there, and then the 3 bungalows right there in the front. They are all one unit. All right. So anyway, I was able to get that one knocked out. Didn't take much time at all. The owner showed up this time, which was great. Okay, the next one is going to be a medical office. So we're about to take a trip to that location and see what we got going on over there. Because this one was real easy. I like the easy ones to start off my day. All right, y'all. So the location I'm about to go to is on the corner here. I'm going to turn it and see, can you see it? The white building on the end. Apparently that is a medical office. And I have a few minutes, which is good. And this one, kind of thick. Y'all hear that? Kind of thick. Medical office. They are doing general and property liability. Inspection today. And hopefully they got everything that I'm going to be looking for when I get over there. The sun is not in our favor today, so I hope you guys can see me. And after that one, the next one I'll be going to is another apartment. Now this one, someone already answered all of the questions, and I have entry into a location, so I'll be able to take you guys a little deeper in that one, hopefully. And when I got off when I finished that last one, let me tell y'all, not finished. When I got there, when I first pulled up, before I can even get out of the car, you know, I saw him sitting over there. He was waving at me when I pulled up. I was like, okay, he's been here. So I asked him how long he'd been there. He said only 3 minutes. So that was good. I wasn't late, okay? I was actually 6 minutes early, but he was already there when I pulled up. So when I got ready to get out of the car, my stomach felt like it fell out the bottom. I'm not going to translate that. I'm going to let y'all figure that out. For those of you who don't know what I'm talking about. The slang I be throwing sometimes when you see me start slurping on this smoothie. Okay. Oh, it just fell out the bottom like broop. Oh, you know how you get that acidy feel when you haven't eaten? Woo. But anywho, I'm going to give that a few minutes, and hopefully the person who supposed to be meeting me today is over there. As a matter of fact, she said that she'd be there all day. So even though we set an appointment for a particular time, I'm going to get off and I'm going to call her. This one was a actual rush order. Apparently someone else had it and couldn't make the appointment. That's what it looked like according to all of the notes that was in the system. And so I called them and got one set, and that's why it's so rushed, because it's been sitting out so long. So I'm going to call her and see if the insured is actually at this location. And if so, I'm going to go in there a little early and I'll hit you guys back on the flip. Okay, so the location is an actual spa. It is not a doctor's office, all right? Well, it said medical office, but it's a therapy. They are a, let me see here, a family therapy, and they specialize in all sorts of therapy. So it looked one way on the outside, but that's because the building is historical, so they decided to keep the design of the building without changing it on the outside. But the inside is absolutely beautiful. I didn't know what to do with myself when I walked in there. I almost stayed. It is huge in there. All right. But that was easy peasy. Able to get that done. So now the next one I'm about to go to is the one that I spoke on earlier, where the images were already, not images, the questions were already answered. So I gotta go and see, can I get some pictures at this location? Because I'm telling you guys, it has been a day. We're about to go. Let me see how much I can get done, and well, I can even let you guys see at least a little portion of it. So let's rock and roll. All right, let's go get it. And that is it. I love it when a plan comes together. And you see, nobody's here with me. I'm able to just knock this thing out, get everything I need. What? How long did it take me? 7 minutes. 7 minutes. And I am done. Well, not done. Y'all already know I gotta go home. Okay. And put this paperwork in. But I am finished. This one right here, like I said, I already answered all the questions, so I had already put all of those in. So all I gotta do is upload his pictures and be done with that. And the other two, yeah, they're gonna take the whole thing. But I will get it done, most definitely. In the meantime, you guys know what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on notification bell. I'll be bringing you back something later. I have one coming in right now calling me. Oh my goodness. I'm done for today. Enjoy the rest of y'all day. Bye-bye.